Quite overcast this evening. Hello again, folks. This is a night after my last video, and we're on where I was calling Lightwood Common, and it's Barlaston Lightwood Common. Oh, Rough Close Common, sorry, Barlaston Rough Close Common. Did this walk maybe over 12 months ago, and I can tell you the weather was a lot better, and it was earlier in the day, but it's still nice, definitely nice and fresh, that's for sure, tonight or this evening. What time is it? Around about 7:30. 31st of June, if there's 31 days in June, I don't know whether there is actually, it could be 30th of June. I know it's the 1st of July tomorrow, mother-in-law's 90th birthday. So we've got a bit of a do for her, and her cake. And family getting down her place because she can't get out these days, so we're going to her place. But anyway, I digress again. So yeah, this is the common walk, Barlaston Rough Close. It actually does lead on to Rough Close down there. I think I'll walk down there actually, and just I'll stop this clip for a minute and pick up again in a minute or two. This is definitely showing up a lot lighter on screen than it is in this wooded area, which I'm glad about really, because as a result of that obviously you can see a lot more of my surroundings. All the birds are still out in numbers. Oh. Yeah, there's a couple of branch offs from here. Let's have a look at down here, see. I would think this would come out on, yeah, what is it? The style down here, some more information. So I'll go down to it. Oh, it's across the road. Now I didn't realise that, so this is now part of it here, and this is why it comes under Barlaston. I was thinking, well, why Barlaston? Because Barlaston's, well, quite a way away from here actually, but go through that stile across the road there, which is part of this walk. I'm going to get that and take a photo of that actually. Come on. As you can see by the sign there, we've got Stone and Barlaston sign, but trust me, it's Barlaston, but it's quite a few miles away from here. Yeah, can see that Ben's right in front of it. I've got a photo of that anyway. But yeah, Barlaston Rough Close Common, local nature reserve. I won't be walking on that side, because not this evening anyway. Now, my sister walks her dog over this side, because they actually just live up the road from here in Rough Close. Right on the boundary of Meerith. Okie doke then, Mill. We'll cross over and go back onto the Rough Close side of the walk. So this will be the Barlaston side. But I would imagine that actually spreads right over. Hence the reason why it comes under Barlaston. Could be a few miles walk there. Worth a walk sometime for the summer and autumn ends. I'll try it one time anyway. So back to across the road. Tying yourself up again, are you, Mel? There's a lead. Shame we've got the drone of the traffic in the background. Right, now we'll take this other path. As you can see, these ferns are quite high here. Go on, Mill, push your way through. Drive on, Mill, go on, drive on. Lead the way. Well, this is what I was doing before. This is cutting up to the left there, because this will be a circular walk. We'll go around the other side of the quarry. I don't know what they quarried for here, I'm not sure. I don't think it was clay. Fighting my way off the beaten path here. Good grief. Look at these ferns here. I've never seen them quite so high anywhere. They're fighting for light, aren't they? It's like a jungle. Yeah. Go on then, Mill, back on the path. Go on, up you go. Good girl. Go on then. Hurry up. God. Oh, come on, midges everywhere, quick. Another little cut off here. Let's have a quick look down here. Alright. Where do we go? Go on. We'll have a little diversion here, just see where it goes to. Oh, it's back out on the main road, isn't it? Oh, okay, so, right, is this a road here? Let's go out on a cul-de-sac. Didn't realise there was a cul-de-sac here. Yeah, there is. Oh, great. So I could actually park here and walk into it here. Oh, that's smashing. I actually prefer to do that as a safety thing, to be honest with you. If this isn't a private road, of course. Could I safely park somewhere there? Well, yeah, I could park back into that actually. Hey, yeah, there's a main road there. And this must be a dead end, I'm sure. Or is it? Yeah, there's going to be a few properties up there, aren't there? Okay, Mill, let's go back. Back into the woods and the nature reserve. Now more commonly known as Rough Close and Barlaston Common. Just to remind myself, that is. Yeah, this is the pathway we took last time I came over here with Millie. That bright summer's morning, it was really nice morning as well. Okay, this goes over the top here. Not much left of this walk now. So yeah, I am going to try that other side, on the Barlaston side of the walk, crossing the road, and just see where that leads to. Whether I do the full walk, I don't know, because if that does go all the way to Barlaston, that's going to be quite some walk, particularly if I've got to do the return. Probably walk a mile or so into it and do a couple of miles on it. That would be nice. Got a rope swing here, Mel. What about this? Ah, yeah. Wow. Okay. If I was younger, I'd be climbing up on that, sliding me, well, bum on it or jang from it. I'm sure they'd be hanging from it, or they could be kids. Just about high enough for teenagers. I've easily climbed up there, that is. Not so much that part though, onto it. To slide down and get your bum on it. Couldn't see the thing in that, somebody'd have to be pushing you, wouldn't they? Right, picking up where we left off. I am sure this is the path I took before, yeah. Because this goes up on the boundary side of somebody's back garden here. And all the grounds back there is their perimeter edge there. And right direct in front of me, whoever's property is the other side of this here. Lucky so-and-so's. Oh no, there's fields there, I can just make fields out there. But further up, I'm sure it goes. Goes up to somebody's boundary. Well, no. Apologies for the lighting on this, because it is getting quite dark here, but it does look quite light on my camera at the moment, so phone stroke camera, so it may be okay. Right, we're coming up into the clearing a little bit now. Yeah, anybody looking in that's local to the area or near to, like myself, perhaps 3 to 4 miles away, well worth a little drive out, maybe 6 miles round trip, there and back, well worth it for this, and that's my view. To make my way back down to where the school is, there, okay, and there is also a car park where I parked before when I did the walk, further up here, and this is, I think, somebody's back garden there on the boundary. But yeah, back to it. What I was saying, anybody that's in the local area, come on, bring your dog, your children or your grandchildren, and do this walk, because it's nice, it really is. A little bit overgrown in places, and you've obviously with Letlands, you've just got to watch these thorns and overhang and any nettles and what have you, and blackberry, which is quite a bit of at the moment, and that we're nearly in blackberry season, aren't we? Another month or two. Anyway, yeah, this is the boundary here now where these laurels are, laurel edging. It's quite old looking, isn't it? Like that moss growing on there. Yeah. And some bracken there. Yeah, it's darkening up again on the screen. There's foxglove and bracken, nice purple colours, lavender colour. that is definitely the boundary fence. There's actually a fence in there, look. 100p for that. It cost a bob or two, that metal fence in there. Foxglove. Come here, Millie. And there we have it. I don't know whether you... Garden that is there, and that I would assume is a property to it there, just behind the backdrop of the trees there. Oh well, yeah, there we have it. Don't they just? Is there any need for it? Yeah? The letter louts. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Oh, a couple of cans, vape boxes, and for whatever reason, bog rolls strewn everywhere, and some stuff in it or something, but just no need for it, is there? Yeah, and that path there, that's to where I've parked up in the past. There's another little car park there, but only room for about 2 cars on that one. So I think there's a path off to the left there, I hope there is, so I can go back a different way, but having said that, this is a pathway back to where we've come from and all here. So I'll take that pathway, because I ain't sure now. I don't think there is a path over there. Okay, I should say that's me. It's only been a shortish walk, so I've probably got about 5 or 6 video clips, a couple of them quite long, including this one. That's it for now. On the 31st or the 30th, not too sure again, like I say, how many days are in the month of June. It could be 30 days in June, yeah. 30th of June 2023. It's a Friday evening and it's around about 8 o'clock, and as you can see, quite overcast, quite warm though, humidity's gone, so that's a good thing. Nice and fresh. And I'll just say thanks for looking in again, and hope to see you soon. Until then, take care, and see you again. Bye for now. Oh, and just to add, I forgot this little bit on my closeout. This is Rough Close, Barlaston Common. I've obviously mentioned it a few times on my way around, and I'll throw a few photographs up, but yeah. So again, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Right, I'm just intrigued. I'm stood here. I know I've closed the video yet again, but this is my final part of the video. I'm quite intrigued looking at this here. This hill, which, you know, as part of a chain of hills by the looks of it. And I'm also almost sure it is the Brecon Hills in Shropshire. And that, if it is the other side of Telford. Now, with my eyes, plain sight from here, it doesn't look that far away, but trust me, that's got to be at least 35 to 40 miles away. But quite clear even on a overcast evening, and we are going into dusk. But as you can see, yeah, that's quite a vantage point there. Callow Hill, and it's part of the Shropshire Hills, which is an area of natural beauty, and it is the other side of Telford, and I would say the north of Wolverhampton and that area. But yeah, it looks so close. If it is Callow Hill, I just thought I'd add that anyway, just as a point of interest from where I'm standing and how far we can see out. So again, thanks for watching, and definitely bye for now.